I'm trying. I think it is. It is? Alright, nice. Hey guys, how you doing? We got a Giants fan, a Pioneers fan. I don't even know what that is because Tino sucks. I'm gonna like run out of battery before we get
Why? Hello there. Hello, sir.
Alright. Heading back. Yeah, we got lunch, got some pizza.
Out here beaching.
You wanna look? Alright.
Oh, look at that.
Someone help me.
Masterpiece.
Yes.
You probably like only see the top of it.
No. This camera is awesome, right? Camera, you're pretty awesome. Alright, cool. Oh, look, that guy's pretty good.
Ready? Look how pretty it is.
Yeah, look how pretty I am.
Wow, it really cleared up.
Yeah. Like this beach. You can see those rocks back there and the people and the frisbee dudes. Alright, it's approaching 1 minute, so maybe
Whoa, what if you lived in that?